downtown Brooklyn where I live, and I'm on my motorcycle to make a point that you can get hurt on a motorcycle. And obviously, you've got to be a good, careful driver and look at everything around you when you're driving a motorcycle like any other vehicle. The big problem with motorcycles is the other vehicles. Sometimes they don't pay as close attention to you as they should be doing, and you can get into an accident. And if you do get into an accident on your motorcycle and you get hurt and it's the other person's fault, then you should reach out to an attorney for assistance. I handle all kinds of cases that involve motorcycles and vehicles, and if you get hurt, you call me. I can be reached at toll-free 844-NEIL-RED. That's 844-NEILRED. And if you call me, you're going to get me on the phone because that connects to my cell phone. And when you get me on the phone, I am going to find out who you are, what happened to you, and figure out if you have a case that is something that is able to be compensated for. In other words, if it's somebody else's fault, and it doesn't have to be entirely the other person's fault, you can have some blame as well, but if you're 100% at fault, then you don't have a case, okay? But if you call me, I'm going to have you come into my office in downtown Manhattan, or I'm going to have you come, or I'm going to come to you. I'll come to your home, or I'll come to your hospital room, and we'll get your case going. And the one thing I will tell you about my firm is that, first of all, we're excellent. I don't need to pat myself on the back, but we get very good results for our clients, number one. But number two is that we move quickly. We file our claims right away. We file lawsuits right away. And our goal is to move your case along, not to allow it to linger or take too much time. After we file the lawsuit, we demand that the other side put in what's called an answer. And the answer is their response to our lawsuit. They have to do it within 30 days, and we couldn't do that. Then we do a document called the Bill of Particulars. That specifies all of your injuries, and after that we set up the depositions and get the case going to trial. All the while we're trying to settle your case with the insurance company. And if the insurance company fails to settle your case, or they don't offer a reasonable amount of money, we take it to court. We go to court. We drive right by the courthouse in downtown Brooklyn right now, where I've done many trials over the years, and we put them to task. We don't just say, yeah, we'll take whatever you are offering. We say, this is fair and just compensation for what this person has suffered, and we expect that you'll compensate them accordingly. If you fail to do that, we ask a jury to do it, and we usually get very good results with that. So if you've been hurt in an accident, any kind of an accident, a car accident, a motorcycle accident, slip and fall accident, been a victim of medical malpractice, give us a call at 844-NEIL-RED. Thank you, and talk to you soon.